up, y'all? Got a quick tutorial for you today. I wanted to show you guys this one because it's sort of a composite social graphic. It's not like what I usually do. So we had some players and coaches go to New Orleans for media day, and my goal was to obviously show some of New Orleans. That wasn't a necessity, but I thought it might be cool. So I have some pictures of New Orleans I found online. I already cut out these pictures of the coaches and players. The player actually ended up being switched. This is the part of the process I recorded, and I had the old player in it, and I didn't record putting the new one in there, so I'm just gonna show you this process. But so here I pretty much just turned the layers on, and then all I've done is put a gradient mask over one layer of New Orleans in front, and then I took another picture of New Orleans and masked it onto the coach's glasses, and probably nobody noticed that, but I like doing the little things, so I did it. What I did first, as always, is I go in and I edit each of them with the camera raw filter. I edit each cutout and each picture. The cutouts, I kind of go for more of the texturized look, but not too heavy on the texture and clarity. I want them just to look crisp and clean and realistic as well. And then for the background landscape images, I just kind of give them more of a softer look because too much clarity kind of ruins them for me, at least. And then I went and colored everything, which ended up being kind of pointless because at the end of the day, we posted it more of like a black and yellow and grays and that sort of thing, which is more on brand for us, which makes sense. So a lot of this was probably not super necessary for what we were using it for. But I wanted to just try some things and try some light painting. So this process took a little while. I was painting the light onto the coach and then going back and, you know, taking it off of where it wouldn't be hitting, obviously, which was kind of a long process and a tedious process, but I really want to get better at that, so never gonna get better if I don't try to do it. On each edge where the light would hit him from below is where I painted it, or at least I tried to. I didn't go too overboard, and it may not have done much at all at the end of the day for the image, but it was good practice at least. And here I'm just kind of brushing over him with a soft brush of that same color. And then I put the media days text in and tried to kind of blend it in with the image by cutting out the city and putting it in between the city and the bridge. And then I added the clouds, give them a little bit of distortion, a little different, because it's all the same one except for that one. I love putting clouds and little things in there like this because it just gives it that extra touch of awesomeness. And then here I put the clouds in the foreground, which makes it even more, you know, realistically in the sky, I guess, and blurred them out a little bit. And then there I was adding some birds here and there, which just makes it even cooler, to me at least. Blurred out the background and then ended up changing the whole thing to more of like a black and yellow tint and putting the new player in that switched out for the old player. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to see more stuff like this. Hopefully more like vlog style stuff as well. Just did a pretty cool photo shoot, so at some point I hope to be able to put that up on here. I'll see you guys in the next one.